Hey everybody, I hope you're having an incredible day. My name is Alicia Masters, and if you're thinking to buy or sell property in and around the Puerto Vallarta market, I am your girl. Today I'm located in Lower Conchas Chinas in a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. You have a little over 1,700 square feet here, and the asking price is $525,000 US. This condo that you're going to see right now is not available on the market. The only way you're going to find out about it is if somebody tells you about it. So if you do like this condo, make sure you look down in the description below. You're going to find my contact information and how you can get in contact with me. If you want to do a personal or a virtual tour. Now, if you do want to call me, make sure you hit me up on WhatsApp. I get so many emails every single day. That is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply. Also, make sure you do click like and subscribe to my channel. I do about 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. Usually I do all that in the end and I give a little intro about this condo. Let's get into the details of this condo. So like I told you, it's $525,000, a little over 1,700 square feet. You are in Lower Conchas Chinas here. Lower Conchas Chinas in general, upper or lower, is kind of like our Beverly Hills here in Vallarta. You have beautiful cobblestone streets, wide cobblestone streets. You have villas all around, but the magical thing about being in Conchas Chinas is you're only about 5 to 7 minutes drive until you get over to the romantic zone, and you have the views from up here. You have stunning ocean views. Alrighty guys, so make sure you hang out to the end of this video if you would like to see some still shots, and let's go get into this tour, guys. Let's go. So coming down, you do not have parking that is deeded to you, but there is parking available on a first come, first serve basis. So as you see, you can come right off where you're gonna park, and then you'll come up into number 2. Now to get into your condo, you're going to come up just about a half flight of stairs. And you can see as you get in, this is one of the reasons I love these older style Mexican traditional homes. You have just these real touches here. So you can see you've got marble flooring, and then they've inlaid artisan stone, hand-laid tile perimeter all around. I absolutely love this. And let me just give you an idea of what everything looks like before we actually get in. So you have a beautiful grand entry here. If we go to the back of the house, this is where you're going to have one of the bedrooms and the bathroom. This will be the bathroom that your guests would use. Also for the bedroom that's here. Give you a nice view of all the finishes here. And then you have a shower here. Okay, so this is your common bathroom. Walking into the bedroom here, this is your guest suite. Remember, this is 2 bedrooms with 2 baths. I do like how they have a little workstation set up here. While you're working, you do have beautiful ocean views that you can look at. We are on a fisheye lens, so things are going to appear a little bit more farther away than they are in real life. Nice tall ceilings here. Definitely you have enough space here for a king size bed. I think that's a queen size bed, but you have enough space if you did want to do a king size bed. Again, I always like to move around, give you guys different angles of what everything looks like. I like how you have the marble floor all the way throughout. So this is the back of the house. I always like when they have a separation of the bedrooms as well. You just have more privacy like that. Coming in, you have kitchen, dining, living room, and then an outdoor patio and the primary. Let's get into the kitchen first since we're already here. You have a nice big size kitchen here. I like how they have the backsplash with the granite. All of the cabinets also have like this waffle design where it's open, which you know, if you live in Vallarta, anytime you have cabinetry, you always want to have that nice airflow kicking through. And then behind here, you have a washer and dryer. So you have everything that you need in one space. And just the views, you're looking out onto everything. You know, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and here you can be in here preparing a meal, and you're looking out onto those beautiful ocean views there. All right, so we've seen the kitchen. Let's get into the rest of the house now. So you have these big sliding doors here. This is your primary suite. Got a nice king size bed here. And again, you're continuing with beautiful ocean views. If you're just the only one here and you wanted to leave those 2 doors open, you've got beautiful views of the entire bay here. I do like how they have 2 separate closets set up here, and you do have an ensuite bath with a tub, which is not very rare, or which is rare, not very common here in Vallarta. I like the touch here. Like these are the little things that just let you know that you're in Mexico when they have like those little rounded edges. You have a double sink vanity here with these nice big bowls. This is sink bowls. This is just really, really, really cute. Now what you've all been waiting for, let's get into the living room. This is so special. Okay, so if you're thinking to come down here and you wanted to use this as a vacation rental, there's just certain things that when you have these older Mexican style homes that are a little quirky, but they totally work because these are the things that you're going to remember. So you have a nice jetted tub here. It's in the living room, which might be a little bit strange, but it's something that if it didn't work for you, very easily you could remove this. And one of the things I wanted to mention too, I love how this part is all with the wood ceiling here. It just gives this home such a tropical vibe. You're up here in the mountains in Lower Conchas Chinas. You're surrounded by greenery. You're looking out. You have beautiful ocean views here. This place is really magnificent. Give you a view here. And I always like to move around so you have different angles of what everything looks like. So you can see here, you have your kitchen, dining room, or excuse me, living room, dining room, kitchen. Okay, let's go get into the dining room area now. And there's a little balcony off the dining room as well. You have lots of space here. You have 1751 square feet here, and it just feels bigger because you have so much open areas. So then this is the little patio that you have outside, overlooking the main street here in Conchas Chinas. They do have security cameras set up as well. All right, so now that you guys have seen this condo, let's get into a quick recap. Hang out if you would like to see some professional photos in the end. All right, guys, let's go. Alrighty, guys, now that you have had a chance to see this fabulous condo, let's get into those details one more time. You have 2 bedrooms here with 2 full baths, a little over 1,700 square feet. The asking price is $525,000 US, and you're not going to find this online because this is an off-market listing. You're only gonna find out about it if someone tells you, and that is me. Do you wanna do a virtual showing or an in-person showing? We can set that up. Look in the description down below. You'll find more information out about this condo and how you can get in contact with me. Remember, WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply, and I know you did click like and subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, I do about 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta, so if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on in our real estate market here, make sure you do click like and subscribe. Hang out to the end of this video if you would like to see some still shots, and let's go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this condo. We'll catch you at the next video. Bye, guys. Peace.